In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring invoices using Zoho Invoice. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can create and manage recurring invoices with ease, saving time and adding convenience to your billing process. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is head over to Zoho Invoice. Make sure you're logged into your account and find yourself on the main dashboard. This will be our starting point. Once you're there, look for the settings icon. It's usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to access the settings menu, where you can fine-tune various aspects of your invoicing preferences. Next up, you'll want to navigate to the General Preferences section. This is where you'll find options to customize how your invoices behave, among other details. Within this section, there's a specific checkbox labeled Recurring Invoice. Make sure to select this checkbox, as this will enable the feature and allow you to create recurring invoices moving forward. Once you've checked the box, don't forget to click on the Save button. This is a crucial step to ensure all your settings are updated and saved correctly. We don't want any of your changes to be lost, so be mindful of this. After saving your changes, click on the Back button. This will navigate you back to the main settings area, but now with your recurring invoice feature activated. From here, look for the option that says Recurring Invoices. Click on it to display any recurring invoices you may have already set up or to start creating new ones. You'll now see a new button. Click on it to create a new recurring invoice. The system will then prompt you to choose a customer. This is where you select who will be receiving these recurring invoices. It's important to ensure you select the correct customer to avoid any billing confusion down the line. Once you've chosen your customer, proceed to type in a profile name. This is a descriptive label for your recurring invoice setup, helping you identify it easily in the future. After naming your profile, decide on a repeat type. This could be weekly, monthly, or any frequency that best suits your needs. Now, let's focus on the item table. This section is where you'll add the items or services that your invoice will cover. Take your time to input the correct details, as this is what will be billed each time the invoice recurs. Finally, don't forget to save your work by clicking on the Save button. This action will create your recurring invoice, and you'll now have a hassle-free way of sending repetitive invoices without manually generating them each time. Keeping your billing processes automated not only saves time but also reduces the potential for errors, and there you have it. You've successfully set up a recurring invoice in Zoho Invoice. With these steps consolidated in your workflow, managing billing processes should now be far more efficient. Happy invoicing!